Stickman Pictures presents Good morning, class. Today is science. Excuse me, Mr. Nick. What is it, Leo? Can I go to the bathroom? Sure thing. Come back. Thank you so much. I'm going to pull down a fire alarm. Oh my god! It's a fire drill! Quick, everyone, line up. Let's go outside immediately, right now. This is thing to this. This is terrible. This is terrible idea too, Mr. Nick. Wait a minute. Leo is pulling the fire alarm. I'll go in the office right now. Mister. What is it, sir? Leo's pulling fire alarm. Quick, come to my office. Please announce her. Okay. Leo, come to the office. Leo, come to the office. This is an important message for you in a cell. There is no murder in schools to the fire drill. Was it? Everyone get back inside and go get in the classroom. Go back to seats. Who did it? Leo did. Come to my office immediately, right now. Did you pull a fire alarm? Tell me the truth right now. Yes, I did. Thanks for telling that, Luigi. Let's go home now. That's it. You are grounded for 969-324-746-932-4749-693-249-98420-909-009-009-009-009-009-009 years. Now go upstairs to your room right now. What? Yeah. Luigi, I am happy that you announced it to pull off a fire alarm. You are ungrounded. You can do whatever you want. Thanks, Dad. You're the best. I'm going to watch TV. Dun, 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 dun. Good afternoon. News. Leo is pulling a fire alarm, which is a case to do. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Thank you, Marin. It's a great time of the years. There is a special Leo pulling a fire alarm and make people's eardrum take them to the hospital. It is stressful then. Gru, what happened? He is bleeding his Agnes eardrums. I take Agnes to the Cardinal Glennon's hospital. Now when she is grounded. Okay then. Now what do you do? Next up, Mr. Nick. Mr. Nick. What have you did Leo did? Leo is a corner of days. Leo is an idiot and pulled a fire alarm. That is so good. I take Rosalina's to the hospital, which is because the stress of this by pulling the fire alarm. That's he's grounded. Now we get well then. You just in case during this. Back to you, Marin. Well, that is it for this edition of Reported News. We'll be right back after a short commercial break. Once again, He is taking Rosalina to the hospital, and Gru take Agnes to the hospital. Goodbye. Dun-dun-dun. Oh crap! Leo is still grounded. Thanks for telling that, Luigi. Thank you all so much to subscribers. Make sure it is a clip so 100 is the links. 5,000 people production.